Hey guys, another beautiful day in the mountains in American Fort Canyon, using our week-long trail pass. We've only got a couple more days, so we're taking advantage of it. Kids are with me. Daddy's in the bathroom. Yes, there are facilities here, but they're pretty nasty. Plenty of toilet paper though, so that's good. You have two options here. You can do the Mount Timpanogos Trail or the Stewart Cascades. We are not doing Stewart Cascades today. We are going to head out on the Mount Timpanogos Trail. So come along. Okay, let's go, babies. So this trailhead actually covers a much longer trail than we are going to do today. Okay, honey. We are heading to, hopefully if we got this right, we are heading to the first and second falls. That will be our leg of this hike, but it does, in total, if we're on the right trail, which I'm pretty sure we are, it's like 16 and a half miles of trails. Hi, Memer. So here is a map of the entire trail. We are just going to be doing this portion right here, but eventually I would like to do all of this, all the connecting trails. It would be awesome. Mommy has mountain goat legs, really strong mountain legs. So we were worried about it being incredibly hot because we're here much later than I would have liked to be in, but you know, life. We didn't get up here till about 3:45 in the afternoon. Lucky for us, there was a freak rainstorm that blew in, and where it would have been about 90 degrees, it's about 74, 75. So fantastic. This should make for a much more pleasant hike.
Yep.
Yep, and Mimi's eating her cheese. So it's a pretty steady incline, at least so far it has been. Scenery is beautiful. The rushing water is fabulous. It is nice that there was rain, so it's cooler a little bit. James, what are you doing? Sorry, it's not that kind of a not that kind of a show. Anyway, it is humid though, and the guy at the little ranger station warned us it would be, and it definitely is. I'm sweating buckets, but it's cool. But it feels pretty good so far. And with my husband along, this video is going to be a little different because he is getting some footage as I normally do for him on his bike rides. First, I was kind of weird about that. I don't need you all watching my backside going up a hill, but I figure if you are watching this, you probably don't care. So I think this might be a fun video. All right.
What did you say? Look up there.
Where?
A whole bunch of bent trees.
Oh, a lot of trees, huh?
Over there. Daddy, that side. Not all the way. Right there.
All right, let's go catch up.
Look, Dad. Over there.
We already looked over there. A lot of trees.
See all the bent trees? See all the bent trees?
I saw them. Did you see them?
Yeah. Hold on.
I have a cameraman and everything. All right, thanks to a fellow hiker. With the sign, I was confused. Should we keep going up or go that way? Luckily, she told us we're going that way for the falls. So the trail so far has been a little narrow, little overgrown, but
and it's more narrow than
yeah, but it's manageable.
Yeah,
and
it's downhill.
luckily it's not like lots of grass, because that's just annoying. All right, let's go. I know. The guy was worried about telling kids about it. That's a problem. My mom would be the same way. As long as she doesn't take on the picture, then it's okay, I guess.
As long as she like sprinkles on the
Yeah. If she's just enjoying them while she's here, that's probably okay.
Daddy, go.
The trail is partially paved for a short distance. Oh, yep, go honey. And right now the foliage is thinning out a little, but it has been so lush. Just absolutely lush and gorgeous. You can see the river rushing down. There's the waterfalls up ahead. The payoff. We're getting close. We're getting close, guys. With the waterfalls and this lush, dense foliage and the humidity, I'm totally feeling Jurassic Park. That was like the thought that came to my mind. Are we in Utah or in the jungle? All right, let's go get them. So the trail has gotten a little soggy. It has turned into a mini little stream, but we can handle it. That's all right. Just adds to the adventure. Look at how beautiful. Wow, my goodness. Wowzers. Holy runoff. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
Now our feet are gonna be clean.
Haha. Reagan found a beautiful butterfly.
This is how close I am.
Hope you can see it. There's a little tiny waterfall coming down right here.
From that cave in the snow.
And then it flows down through a little snow cave down to the river. So lots of this has actually been paved, which is really nice, and is a good bit of training for our Timpanogos cave hike that we'll be doing in a few weeks, because that trail is all paved and is all uphill, very steep. The kids saw a black snake go into the underbrush over there. I don't know what kind it was, wasn't able to grab any footage of it. I was just of the mind that we needed to get past it. Anywho, quick drink break before we start on another incline. So nice having a little flat space there for a minute. This has definitely been, if not the hardest, one of the very hardest hikes that we have done since starting hiking this year. I know for me, I could not have done it at the beginning of our hiking season, that's for sure. My husband and the kids decided to continue on up this path. The trail is really quite long. They are way up there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're up there. Anyways, it is a long, long trail. If you stay on it, it will take you up to the summit. I'm not up to that. Getting up to here was all I had in me and more. But I'm glad they're able to do that. I'm glad my husband was able to come with us. I'm glad I'm out in all this beauty and I'm not wasting any more of my life because of disability and health problems and all that. 36 years old and finally woke up, realized how precious life is, and then I didn't want to waste another minute of it. can breathe, but good night. Whew. Whew. Look at that. Jeez. Whoa. Oh man, I have cramps, side stitches, suffocating, but that's worth it. Whew. Let's get closer. There's Mariah out by the snow sheet. Almost the middle of July. There's Mariah out by the snow sheet. Almost the middle of July. Right, so this is glorious, but a fellow hiker told us, who was just coming down from the second falls, that she thinks that one might be even better than this. It's about another 10 minutes of steep uphill hiking, but we're gonna try it. Tons more waterfalls all the way up the mountain.
Way up there.
Look at that. Good grief. Whew. That hiking lady was right. It is well worth coming up here, but honestly, I'd say it's not as steep now as the rest of the trail has been. So this is listed as a family-friendly, quote-unquote, trail. But in my opinion, if your kid's any younger than 5 and is not like an active kind of kid, it's not going to be family-friendly for you. Okay, we're gonna pass through a little bit of dirty, nasty snow. Not much, just a little bit. Take it nice and easy. Stop right there, babies. Seriously, this is totally like, I'm totally feeling Jurassic Park here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh my goodness, and you can get closer. It's crazy, all of a sudden I'm not tired at all. The air up here, oh, it feels so good. It's not humid, it's cool, it's breezy. Oh, absolutely reinvigorated. Oh, wish you guys all could come and be here with us. If you have the chance, go up Provo Canyon or American Fork Canyon. Either way, Provo would be via Sundance. No matter which way you come, you will have to pay a fee. It is national park territory. It is wonderful. It is amazing. Jeez. That's all the snow and ice. Oh man. There's a million reasons to come to Utah. This one has to be somewhere pretty close to the top. You guys be so careful. Mimi, hold Lulu's hand. Right, just, you can go like 2 feet further, that's it. Just to head up for the snow. Jeez! Oh my gosh! character Joey just now, but I can't help it. Whoa! Ah. Oh. Oh, forgive me, but I might cry. It was so hard getting up here. It was so hard. And it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This one really got me in the feels, the emotions. This is a big one. This was hard. It was really hard. I was using my handy dandy walking stick the whole way, and there were many times it was like an oar, and I was using that and upper body to just pull myself up. The kids did wonderful. My little memer, she did awesome. Reagan and Lou and my husband, they all did great. And we made it. Don't choke me now. I made it this far. We made it, and it's wonderful. And I'm feeling really encouraged and feeling positive. Hello, dirty hands. All right, hop down, Mimi. I'm feeling really encouraged about the hike I'm going to do tomorrow with my brother. It's one we're going to do without the kids to really push myself and see how I can do. This one, it was about 1.5 miles getting up here to the waterfall. The one I'm doing tomorrow is about 2.5 miles. Reagan, scoot back to the summit that we're going to, so it'll be a push and it'll be another uphill climb. But I gotta do it, gotta try. Anyway, I'm gonna take some time to just enjoy this, so enjoy it with me. Thank you so much for coming along and keeping us company. This is beautiful, well worth it.
What did you say, Reagan?
Mom would like this.
What?
Mom would like this.
Hi, Mariah.
Rescue helicopter's been circling around up here. I'm wondering if any of the hikers we met along the way got hurt, or someone's lost. Something's going on, because he's been cruising around and around. I really hope they're okay. He's down real close now. I really think it could be that guy, this nice guy that we met. Because he's pretty darn close to the waterfalls, and he's circling on. Guys, stop! Beautiful. You can hear my voice doesn't sound quite right. Combination of the emotion, allergies, severe asthma. So if you have asthma, unless it's like deathly, please don't let that be an excuse. If you have crazy allergies or you're out of shape, don't let that be an excuse. start draining, take your precautions. Do what you need to do. Take breaks. Be smart about it, but don't let it hold you back. Because look at this. You could miss all of this. And that'd be a big waste. That's all I got.